Boozhoo, niij-anishinaabedog, indinawemaaganidog, Bizhikiins indizhinikaaz, Waabizheshi, indoodem, Mashkii-ziibing, and indoonjibaa. My name is Bizhikiins. I was asked to talk a little bit about our Asemaa, our tobacco, and how we use it in different times or different junctures in the day for various activities. My grandmother taught me when I was a young kid that our tobacco is to be used for many different things. She always told me to go put our tobacco out early in the morning when you get up and that sun's first coming up. And so I continue to do that. And another thing she always said too was that we as Anishinaabe are dependent upon every other thing in creation. And so when we're to be taking or doing something out here, we're meant to use our tobacco to ask for permission, to kind of ask for good things and whatnot. And so, when you disturb the ground, they say there's manidoog that take care of these places, and there's so many different manidoog or spirits that are around us and reside in different places that we're supposed to remember those ones. And I'm just a young guy, and I don't remember every single manidoog or every single spirit there is, but some of the ones that I rely upon and um, use when I use my Asemaa um, our gidikiiminaang or omaa king, right? Our Mother Earth, remembering the earth, remembering everything that it gives us. And so when we offer our tobacco, that's one thing that you can acknowledge. Manidoo gidikiiminaang or omaa king. Put your tobacco in that hole. Some of the other spirits that sometimes will refer to or you'll hear referred to are Manidoo Mitigwaabe-winini or Mitigwabii-winini or Mitigwinaabe, sometimes pronounced. Kind of the what I was taught were the caretakers of the Creator's garden. So everything that we've been given here to help our Anishinaabe sustain and take care of one another. And so those are ones that I commonly think about when offering our tobacco and in this kind of a situation where we're disturbing some of the ground and disturbing some of these areas, but for good cause and to help plant some new life. Some very basic things, you can say Nimiigwechiwi'ininim I'm, like being thankful for something. Gidikiiminaang or akiing. Niminja or Niminja. Those are some of the things I think about um, when offering our Sema, and some very, very easy words to remember, easy phrases to think about and consider. I just always like to respectfully remind our Anishinaabe, our relatives, to always have your tobacco on you. Use your Sema as much and as often as you need to and as possible, and always have it on you because you never know where you're going to need it. Miigwech.